Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable click to dial in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to start or we are just going through this developer documentation or guide so we can learn more about the lightning click to dial components. And basically, to enable the lightning click to dial components, you will need to have already your CTI or uh, phone number that will be enabled. That means that you already have some computer telephony integration with your Salesforce that is already enabled by going to your setup and going to the soft phone uh, configuration. So from there, you will need to have your line that will be already set up in the soft phone layouts, etc. And after that, you can start creating some layouts or to create some interface to start using the click to dial. So as you can see, this is an example that you can use to add the click to dial. And if we go to the example, we can see how would it look in the interface. So this is the basic click to dial component, and this is how it looks. And we can also simulate a phone system management, and you will have the numbers and everything that will be shown. And of course, this is an example of code. So you can simply either copy and paste it in your components that you are creating or your application, or simply just learn more about the components in the documentation, and you can see how you can use it or use the lightning click to dial components and how it would really works. So there is also some other specification like the permissions on how it is used and some other description like its parameters and the other parameters that are required, for example, and then you will be able to start using these components. So thank you for watching and see you next time.